Hey Divi Nation, welcome to this next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack from our design team straight to you. And this week we have a fresh, unique farmer layout pack that I think you're going to love. This layout pack has the pages you need to launch a beautiful farmer site in no time. There are a ton of custom images, icons, graphics used throughout that you are going to love. And the page layouts are strategically organized to promote products which are perfect for offering an online farmer's market to customers. It even has a dedicated process page, which is going to be great for educating visitors, and also a dedicated page for products. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new farmer layout pack on your own website. Before you can start adding pre-made layouts using the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi, Theme Options, then click the Updates tab, enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. After that, you'll have access to the pre-made layouts without any problems. Now you're ready to start the process of creating your new pages and then adding your corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. To get started, go ahead and go to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Go ahead and select the Choose a Pre-made Layout option, and from the Load from Library pop-up, go ahead and scroll and find the Farmer Layout Pack and click on it. There you'll see a preview of all of the different layouts included in the pack over here on the right. Go ahead and select the one you want and then click Use this layout. Once the layout has been added to your page, don't forget to publish it. Then you'll want to continue this process to create all of your pages with their corresponding pre-made layouts. And once you're finished creating all of your pages, you're ready to create a primary menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Give your menu a name, and then click the Create Menu button. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages you created. Go ahead and select all of them and then add them to your menu. Under your menu structure, go ahead and organize the menu items however you like, and then don't forget to set the display location for primary menu and then click Save Menu. And for one last step, you'll want to create a static home page for your website. To do that, you'll go over to Settings and then Reading. Under your home page displays, select a static page, and then for the home page, select the home page you just created, and then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new Farmer Layout Pack. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies we'll be throwing your way. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.